I think we should just eat this and see how much.
Hey, you dumb, bro.
5.
You didn't do it. Oh,
That's what my dad thinks.
Any others? We have 1, 3, and 5. Phones away. Okay, let's start with 1.
what's up, dude? I did.
Alright, let's hit that movie question.
That's left from the
Okay,
left team.
listen. So if you buy a car at a gas station for $5, the cost of gas is $3.10. If you have $40, write and solve a linear equation to find the number of gallons you can afford. So important things here. The car wash, the cost of gas. You have $40, and we're trying to find the number of gallons. So you can use just your y equals mx plus b format, or you can set this up using a different variable. It's really up to you. So if we're using this format, then our variable x is going to be number of gallons. Our b is going to be the one-time fee for the car wash. The cost of gas is $3.10, so that's going to be our m. And then our total would be y, the 40. So if we put each of those into y equals mx plus b, it would look like 40 equals 310 times x, we know what that is, plus 5. Then you could solve this by subtracting 5 and dividing both sides by 310.
Yeah, bro.
Whatever that is.
What?
Okay, that makes sense.
11.
How much?
Look at my sister, dude.
So 11.29 gallons would be our final answer. Do we have any questions about that? For number 3,
They do it for free.
if you were to find, guys, stop talking. If you were to find when x equals 5, would this be interpolation or extrapolation for the given data?
Extrapolations.
Yes. Remember that interpolation is, does the data fall within this given set of data? Extrapolation, does it fall outside? So with x equals 5, there's no data at 5, so that would be extrapolation.
So,
Because it falls outside of the data. If they had said something between -3 and 3, that would be interpolation. But because 5 falls outside of that data, that would be extrapolation. Other questions on that one?
You want to see the shoes I
Wilbur?
got?
5. Is the following ordered pair a solution to the system of equations? There are different ways to do this. You could put the ordered pair in both.
Those are
You
valid.
could graph them and see do they cross. I'm just going to put 0 and 8 into everything. So if I put 8 into all the y's, 0 into all the x's, we would get, this would just become 0, so 8 equals 8, that would work. This would become 0, so we have a -8 equals 8, which does not work. So this would not be a solution. Questions there? We'll work on the way.
I don't have that. That pretty good.
Or let's say, listen, many of you need to finish your tests. Many of you are missing delta math. Some of you finished your tests and are failing. So you need to be working on repapers
We'll check my grade.
or getting your grade out somehow. So I'm going to separate those that need to finish. Whether you start that before lunch is up to you. And then everyone else will be over here. If you are failing and finish, you're gonna have your phone put up so that you can work on practice, retake work, something like that.